Inhale, bring your both the hands in front of your chest. Namaskar. Inhale, raise your hands up, look up, bend backwards. Exhale, forward bend. Both the hands by the side of your feet, look down. Inhale, take your right leg back and look up, knee also down. Exhale, left leg also back. Stretch. Inhale, exhale, knee, chest and chin on the ground. Inhale, look up. Exhale, both feet together, look down. Inhale, right leg forward. Left leg forward, look down. Inhale, stretch your both the hands together, look up. Exhale, Namaskar Mudra with a big smile. Bend your right knee. Raise your left hand up. Cross it over your right knee and place it on the ground. Both hands opposite direction. Look back. Both shoulders aligned in one line. And slowly, in the same manner, come back. And do it on the other side also. Left knee bended, right hand up and look back with a big smile on your face. Come back to normal position. Make sure both the shoulders are aligned in one line, and if you are not able to place complete hand on the ground, you can hold your ankle. Keep maintaining smile on your face. This way, the complete stretch on your waist will. Paschimottanasana. Inhale, raise your hands up. While exhaling, hold your big toe with 3 fingers. Both the elbows on the ground and head down. Slowly while inhaling, bring your head up, raise your hands up and come back to normal position. While doing this posture, make sure your hands are completely stretched up and your back is straight, and then you bend forward while exhaling. Both the elbows are on the ground and then your head touching your knee. In the same manner, you come back and relax. Place your both the hands slightly away from your hips. Raise your hips up, look back and your toes touching the ground. Slowly come back. Back straight. And now relax. Make sure your hands are facing forward and slightly away from your hips. Your soles are completely touched with the ground and your hips are completely stretched up. Looking backward, this way your body will be aligned in one line. Slowly come back. With a big smile and relax yourself. Widely open your legs. Left toe facing towards the left side. Both hands in shoulder line and bend towards your left. Looking up towards the upper hand. Slowly come back in the same manner. And we'll do the same from other side also. Opening up your legs. Right toe towards right. Bending towards the right side. And looking up. Stretching the complete waist region. Slowly come back. Relax left knee and place it under your right thigh. Both hands raising by the side. shoulder level and joining together in Namaskar Mudra. Slowly coming back in the same manner, and we'll do it on the other side. Make sure you are gazing at a particular point in front of you to keep the balance. Keep smiling, come back and relax. Both the fingers facing opposite to each other. Inhale, bend backwards as much as possible for you, keeping your knees straight. Exhale, slowly come back, relax. Your hands up, stretch, back straight, and exhaling, slowly come back. Place both the hands by the side of your feet and head down, touching your knees. Both the hands are placing by the side of your feet. Inhale, slowly come back in the same manner. Exhale, raise both the legs up, hips up. Give support to your back from both the hands. Stretch your legs up as much as possible for you. Chest and chin are locked together. Slowly with control, come back and relax in Shavasana. Bend both the knees, hold your ankles, raise your hips up, chest and chin are locked, and slowly relax, hips down, legs down, relax in Shavasana. Tuck your head in, keeping your back straight, legs straight, bend both the knees and lift your legs up. Stretch your legs up, keep your body aligned in one line. Gently now bend your knees and come back in the same manner. Relax.